Trick 3. Gated cells. Idea: use gates to selectively add or remove information within each recurrent unit. Already we have seen this slide in the last videos. Idea: use gates. Use gates selectively add or remove information within each recurrent unit. Point-wise multiplication, this one. Sigmoid neural net layer. Gated cell, LSTM, GRU, and etc. Gates optionally let information through cell. Gate option only let information through cell only. Long term, this is first gated cell. Long term, then you see GRU. Long short-term memory. Long short-term memory. Networks rely on gated cell to track information through to many time steps. This is the LST. Networks rely on gated cell to track information throughout many time steps. Long-term memory, LSTMs, gated LSTM cells control information flow. Gated LSTM cells control information flow, forget, then store, then update, then output. We can say forget, reset also in electronics circuits. Then store, then update, then output, then forget. Cycle going on. XT input vector, same. Point-wise multiplication, sigma neural net layer. This one connected. This is the gate here, LST. This sigmoid neural net layer also is a where it is need tan H also connecting. This is the sigmoid neural net layer. Tan H also here connecting. LSTM cells are able to track information throughout many time steps. Here tracking, first here tracking, then after that here tracking, and here tracking. Long short term memory. This is LSTM. This input vector, output vector, expected, targeted output. This is TF, Tensorflow syntax like Python. Keras library layer, that hidden layer. This is the layer total. Okay. LSTM inside this gated spacer, no, that one. How many units? 30. LSTM key concepts. Maintain cell state. This is the cell state. Cell state. Use gates to control the flow information. Gate here you see, flow control information. Forget gate gets rid of irrelevant information. This is a very important point. Forget gate. Which one? Gets rid of irrelevant information. Gate will be forget. This is the very important. Then store. Yeah, here key control information flow like this only, no? So forget finish. Store. Store relevant information from the current input. From now itself parts itself onwards relevant information to be stored. Selectively update cell state. Selectively update cell state. Update selectively, not all. Selective cell state to be updated. Output. Get returns a filtered version of the cell state. Then filtered normal version coming. After output returns to filtered version of a cell state. Back propagation through time with a partially uninterrupted gradient flow. Gradient means to reduce the loss. So that one always back propagation only. We have already seen. So throughout the time with partially uninterrupted gradient flow. This is uninterrupted. This is the very important. Not interrupted. Continuously this gradient flow also going on partially. So this is back propagation only, not forward propagation. Function only forward function, forward direction. This one backward direction only. We have already seen. RNN application limitations. Example task music generation. Input. Input music. Input sheet music. Output next character in sheet music. Listening to third. Here, this is the input. E, F, G, C. E, F. Here, first E going, F started, F coming here, going, output, like this also going. So G coming, then going, then coming, then going. Here. So this F here, this G here, this C here. Okay. Input sheet music, next character in sheet music. Next character in sheet music. This character, next character coming sheet music. This character coming here. Sheet music. This character coming here. Okay. Example task. Sentiment classification. Sentiment classification, what? Input sequence of words. Output probability of having positive sentiment. Probability of having positive sentiment. I love this class. This is the input vector. But after that, this one also here going, this one also here going, this one, this also going via this word, class word also going this way. So in sequence of words, first one, second, three, four. I love this class. So first I going, second one sequence, no, love going on. Then this sequence going, class. Wait, so first sequence means first one first. First this one, second, third, fourth. First I, second love, third three, this fourth class. So here in TensorFlow, what will syntax will come? Loss. We are checking that loss. This is here what mentioning? Positive. Where positive? Positive statement. That's all positive. Sequence of words. This is the sequence of words. All are. Okay. Loss. Loss equal to TF. TensorFlow. Dot. Neural network. Dot. Softmax cracks. Entropy with loop logics. This one only. Okay. Why predicted this? Example task Sentiment classification. I love this class. Tweet sentiment classification. Limitations of recurrent models. Limitations of recurrent models. What is the limitation here? Encoding bottleneck. Encoding is the tough one. Slow, no parallelization. Slow only. First this one, after this, fourth one this. So that's why slow. No parallel. So not long memory. This is long short term memory only. Long short term memory only. Not long term memory. Okay. Goal of sequence modeling. What is the goal of sequence modeling? RNN, recurrence to model sequence dependencies. RNN, recurrence to model sequence dependencies. Sequence of inputs, sequence of features, sequence of outputs. Sequence of input, what is the input here? Sequence of features, what is the features? Sequence of outputs, what is the outputs? Input, feature, vector, output. So T time x1, x0, x1, x2, xt minus 1, sorry 2, xt minus 1, xt. These all are input vectors. Input. This is feature vector. Height. This is output, expected output. Y0, y1, y2, yt minus 2, yt minus 1, yt. All are cap yt. Okay. Feature vector. This is the sequence inputs. Sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. Sequence features. Sequence output. Recurrence to model sequence dependency. Okay. Goal of sequence modeling. What is the goal? Sequence modeling. Recurrence to model sequence dependencies. Limitations of RNNs. That same diagram only at the time of t. Input vector x0 to xt, yg, y naught cap to yt cap, output, feature vector, encoding bottleneck, slow, no parallelization. This one after this, parallelization only fast. Yes, series like series. Then not long memory. LSTM no, long short term memory only. Can we eliminate the need for recurrence entirely? I need a recurrence entirely. So eliminate. What we have to eliminate? Decided capabilities, continuity, parallelization, long memory. I need this capability to be increased for continuity, parallelization, long memory. That is how opposite this. Long memory. This one. Then parallelization. Continuity. This is to be close. How? Goal of sequence modeling. Can we eliminate the need for recurrence entirely? So like this. What we have done? This feature vector parallelized. X1, X2 also parallelized. Here also parallelized are in one channel. Eliminate the need for recurrence entirely.